D&D Manufacturing and exclusive licensee Low Impact Technologies USA have teamed together to commercialize breakthrough concentrated solar multi-effect water distillation and dewatering technology. The energy-efficient and cost-saving technology offers an affordable solution where water security is a concern, especially where freshwater deficits coexist with high solar irradiance and saline or otherwise unusable water sources. Industry can use significant volumes of water in their processes and operations. In many cases, the water utilized becomes contaminated and becomes an environmental risk. Whilst reverse osmosis systems can be employed in some cases, there is a limit to membrane capabilities. For example, once the levels of salt reach that of 2 to 3 times seawater, or there is a requirement to provide a zero liquid discharge solution, other cost-effective options should be explored. The CSMED units combine large parabolic mirrors constructed from composite thermoplastics and also a horizontal distillation or dewatering column, which acts as the absorber and distillation column. The purpose of entering the Solar Prize is to achieve a logical and straightforward extension of this technology, which is to use the same horizontal solar absorber distillation column with the addition of multiple distillation ports for the separation of VOCs from the input stream. The team led by Dr. Dale Polk to achieve this goal is made up of mechanical, chemical, and electrical engineering experts and is backed by an international marketing and sales team.